What if the most exciting cameras of 2026 haven't even launched yet? In today's video, I've tracked the 5 most anticipated upcoming cameras that could redefine photography and filmmaking. From next-generation mirrorless powerhouses to cutting-edge innovations, these cameras are worth waiting for. So stay with me until the end, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more premium tech videos. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix S5 II. Panasonic Lumix S5 II is one of the most versatile mirrorless cameras available in 2026, making it an excellent choice for photographers, videographers, and content creators. Equipped with a full-frame sensor and advanced autofocus technology, the camera delivers outstanding image quality with sharp details, vibrant colors, and excellent low-light performance. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, travel content, or professional videos, the Lumix S5 II provides reliable and consistent results. One of the biggest upgrades of this camera is its fast phase detection autofocus system, which helps track subjects accurately and smoothly. For video creators, the Lumix S5 II offers impressive 4K and 6K recording capabilities, professional video features, and advanced image stabilization that helps capture smooth footage even while shooting handheld. This makes it a great option for YouTubers, filmmakers, and vloggers who want professional quality videos without carrying heavy equipment. The camera also features a durable weather-sealed body, making it suitable for outdoor photography and challenging environments. Its comfortable grip, customizable controls, and user-friendly interface allow both beginners and professionals to use it with confidence. Combined with strong battery life and a growing selection of lenses, the Panasonic Lumix S5 II offers exceptional value for money. Overall, it is one of the best hybrid cameras of 2026, delivering a perfect balance of photography performance, video capabilities, and reliability for creators of all levels. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix S1R. The Panasonic Lumix S1R, a premium full-frame mirrorless camera built for photographers and content creators who demand exceptional image quality. Equipped with a 47.3-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, the S1R captures incredibly detailed photos with rich colors, impressive dynamic range, and outstanding sharpness. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, architecture, or commercial work, this camera consistently delivers professional-grade results. Its rugged weather-sealed magnesium alloy body is designed to perform reliably even in challenging outdoor conditions, making it an excellent choice for both studio and field photography. The Lumix S1R also features advanced in-body image stabilization, fast and accurate autofocus, dual memory card slots, and a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, giving photographers confidence in every shot. For video creators, it offers high-quality 4K recording, excellent color science, and flexible shooting options for professional production. Combined with its durable build, premium controls, and outstanding image performance, the Panasonic Lumix S1R remains one of the best high-resolution full-frame mirrorless cameras for professionals and serious enthusiasts looking to take their photography and filmmaking to the next level. Number 3. Nikon Z8. The Nikon Z8 is one of the most powerful hybrid cameras available in 2026, designed for photographers and filmmakers who want professional performance in a compact body. It features a remarkable 45.7-megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor that captures incredibly sharp images with rich colors, impressive dynamic range, and outstanding low-light performance. Powered by Nikon's advanced X7 image processor, the Z8 delivers lightning-fast autofocus with AI-powered subject detection, allowing it to accurately track people, animals, birds, vehicles, and aircraft. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, sports, or wildlife, the camera responds quickly and reliably. For video creators, the Nikon Z8 is equally impressive. It supports stunning 8K video recording along with high-quality 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion footage. Internal RAW recording, professional video codecs, and advanced color options give filmmakers exceptional flexibility during editing. The camera also features in-body image stabilization, helping users capture sharp handheld photos and stable videos without relying on a tripod. Built with a durable weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, the Z8 is ready for challenging environments, making it a dependable choice for outdoor adventures and professional assignments. Overall, the Nikon Z8 perfectly balances high-resolution photography, advanced video capabilities, speed, and reliability. Whether you're a professional photographer, a content creator, or a filmmaker looking for a camera that excels in almost every situation, the Nikon Z8 stands out as one of the best all-around cameras you can buy in 2026. This script is approximately 1 minute 30 seconds when spoken at a natural pace. Number 4. Sony A1 II. The Sony A1 II is one of the best professional cameras of 2026, offering the perfect combination of speed, image quality, and advanced technology. It features a high-resolution full-frame sensor that captures incredibly sharp photos with rich colors and excellent detail. Thanks to Sony's latest AI-powered autofocus, the camera can quickly recognize and track people, animals, birds, and vehicles, making it ideal for sports, wildlife, and portrait photography. For video creators, the Sony A1 II is just as impressive. It records stunning 8K and smooth 4K video with professional-level quality, while built-in image stabilization helps keep handheld footage steady. Its durable weather-sealed body is built to handle demanding shooting conditions, making it a reliable choice for both photographers and filmmakers. If you're looking for a camera that delivers flagship performance in every situation, the Sony A1 II is definitely one of the top cameras to consider in 2026. Number 1. Canon EOS R5 Mark II. When it comes to professional cameras, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is easily one of the biggest highlights of 2026. Designed for photographers, filmmakers, and content creators, this camera combines outstanding image quality with next-generation performance. At its core is a powerful 45-megapixel full-frame sensor that captures incredibly sharp photos with rich colors, excellent dynamic range, and impressive low-light performance. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, weddings, wildlife, or commercial projects, the R5 Mark II consistently delivers stunning results. One of the camera's biggest strengths is its advanced autofocus system. Powered by Canon's latest AI technology, it can accurately recognize and track people, animals, birds, vehicles, and even fast-moving subjects with remarkable precision. This means you can focus more on capturing the perfect moment instead of worrying about missing focus. Combined with high-speed continuous shooting, it's an excellent choice for sports and action photography as well. For video creators, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II truly shines. It supports breathtaking 8K video recording along with high-quality 4K at high frame rates, giving filmmakers and YouTubers the flexibility to create cinematic content with incredible detail. Canon's renowned color science produces natural skin tones and vibrant colors straight out of the camera, reducing the need for heavy color correction during editing. Built-in image stabilization also helps deliver smooth handheld footage, making it easier to shoot professional-looking videos without carrying extra equipment. The camera's premium weather-sealed body is built to withstand challenging environments, so whether you're filming outdoors, traveling, or working on demanding professional assignments, it offers the durability and reliability you need. Despite its powerful performance, the camera remains comfortable to hold, with intuitive controls that make long shooting sessions much easier. Overall, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is more than just a camera, it's a complete creative tool. It offers exceptional photo quality, industry-leading autofocus, professional video capabilities, and a durable design that can handle almost any situation. If you're looking to invest in one of the best hybrid cameras available in 2026, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is undoubtedly a top contender and a camera that truly lives up to its flagship reputation. Those were the 5 upcoming cameras that could dominate 2026. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews, buying guides, and top 10 videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.